The story of the locked door. There lived a man in a village who was an expert in breaking locks. One day, some intelligent people wanted to test him, and he was given a date and time to come and break a lock. When he reached there, as per the decided schedule, the rules of the task were explained to him. They said, "You will be placed in a box, and that box will be lowered into the water. You have to open the lock and come out. In the meantime, if you think that you will not be able to open the lock, then you can press the emergency button and come up. But in that case, you will lose the competition." He accepted all the rules of the task and went into the water. As soon as he reached the water, he took out a wire from his pocket and started trying to open the lock. Even after 5 attempts, he was not able to open the lock. It was becoming very difficult for him to stay inside the water, as it was not easy to hold his breath for so long. At last, he put all his effort and made one last attempt, but to no avail. He finally pressed the emergency button, and the box slowly started coming up. It was pulled out of the water and opened with a slight push to the door. The locksmith was shocked and surprised. He thought, "Why did it never occur to me that I should try to push it open, that it might not be locked at all?" This is the moral of the story. When we think too much, we have to bear the brunt of it. Sometimes problems can be resolved with the simplest, most obvious solution without thinking too much. When we silence the mind and think with a cool and calm mind, we get a better solution. We often assume that this is a huge problem, and then we try hard to solve it, but no solution can be found because it is not really a problem but our state of mind. Just like the man started opening the lock without thinking, while the door was already open, if we just try to see things differently, we might be able to come out of problems without excessive thinking and without even solving them.